Brittney, no crashes in Brown County. The snow plows are out. We don't see a ton of snow yet, but it is on the way.
Yeah, it's a little deceiving because you're sitting here, why are they all crazy about the roads right now? Nothing's falling from the sky, so says radar, but it did already, and those temperatures are below freezing. So all these conditions are making for a dicey commute where it kind of catches a lot of us off guard, right? And the four-wheel drive isn't going to help you either today, so keep that in mind as you head out. Avoid travel if at all possible. So what happened early this morning? We had the wave of snow late last night, a little bit of sleet in the purple, and then some freezing rain, which turned into like a freezing mist, light drizzle, which now currently is almost like a light flurry going on. And all of this is happening, this wintry mix that's causing these icy roads because of the weather whiplash that we just went through. Saturday afternoon, we were at the teens. Sunday afternoon, we popped into the 50s, and then we dropped back to the teens Monday and even today as well. So when that happens, when you have cold air slamming into such a warm air mass, it shoves the warm air up, right? Hot air rises. So when that happens, a little bit of that warmth is still residual right now. We have a system coming and it's pouring down as rain and then freezing on the surface. On your decks, we've been reports of sheets of ice across decks and stairs. So even as you head out the door, make sure you salt before you take your first step outside. Sleet accumulations too into the Green Bay area, plus snow into the North Woods. And it all depends on how much of that layer is thick enough for the below freezing temperatures. So again, if you do encounter any black ice, which there's a lot being reported out there, make sure you keep driving straight. Don't overcorrect. Don't freak out. Do not brake or slam on the brakes too hard. And of course, don't even accelerate too much either. Four-wheel drive won't help you as well. Temperatures right now, like I mentioned, into the teens. It's chilly, it's crisp, and it's very warm into Chicago, above freezing. So right here, the huge temperature gradient, that transition zone is why all of us are into a very dangerous position from Green Bay all the way through northern Illinois. So right now, temperatures into the teens, 13 at Green Bay, 21 into Sheboygan. Winds are very breezy up out of the northeast right now, sustained a constant wind at 20 miles per hour, gusting to 35 to near 40 right now into Green Bay. And that is blustery and quite brutal feeling. It feels like 5 below when you step outside. So dress for this today because it's going to be feeling below 0 to right around the single digits as our high temperatures, because these winds do not let up. If anything, they just start to shift out of the northwest a little bit more and start to pull in some cooler temperatures as well. So the big thing ahead as we look forward to today, the risk is not going to get lessened. Unfortunately, it's going to go back up again throughout this late morning. We have chances for ice accumulation. Just a little light glaze is enough to turn those roads into a very hazardous situation. So you can see that we are in a winter weather advisory until 6 p.m. The warning was up to northwest Wisconsin. They got hit hard with snowfall of nearly 2 feet of snow. Lake effect still ongoing. And of course, you could see Cornucopia even getting 7.5 inches. Down to the south of us, a tornado watch in effect for Kentucky and Tennessee. Some strong storms on the border of Chicago. Wintry mix of freezing rain just moving south of Milwaukee as well. Here for us, like I mentioned, just a light kind of drizzle, but it's enough to really make it dangerous on some of those county roads as well. So as we take a wider look off to the west, this is what's going to be headed our way later on this afternoon. But it's not going to look like that because this low pressure is going to lift up, bring some more warmth with it, and give us a chance for another wintry mix and windy conditions. So this one arriving right around 10 a.m. into our southern areas of Princeton, Watoma, kind of filling into the Fox Valley and Green Bay around noon and up through Door County by 1 o'clock. Notice the start is freezing rain. It'll immediately switch to sleet and snow. So there will be ice accumulations with snow on top of that. This is going to be a very risky commute as we go through the afternoon hours. I would avoid it if you can. Take your lunch at work and stay in. So pack one as you head out today. And of course, just be careful anywhere from through Door County, the Fox Valley, and the Lake Shore as well. Northwoods, you're going to get another 2 to 4 inches of snowfall. Good for some snowmobiling. You're going good there. Blowing and drifting snow will recover your roads. Here for us as well, we are looking at another 1 to 2 inches of snow as that mix turns over to the colder temperatures. So have the snow blower, the snow shovel ready to go. Definitely salt by your stairs because you don't want to step on it and slip. And maybe even a push broom too for those slushy situations. For some of us in the wintry mix, you kind of just push that nastiness out of there. So be careful, you guys. We have a high pressure that will be rolling in tomorrow, calming us down. This is the worst day of the week. Temperatures right now will rise to the low 20s, and those winds will stay strong. Tonight falling to the single digits, and of course feeling cooler, more like 0. And then tomorrow the sun will shine bright, the blue skies will be back, but it'll be a little crisp and cool with those winds still kicking, unfortunately. Highs in the teens only for Thursday and Friday. A little clipper moves through Thursday night to Friday morning. Not much accumulation of snow expected there. And then as we push into the weekend, we flirt with a freezing mark once again by Saturday, and even into Sunday, Monday will be into those mid-20s for us. So much calmer after the storm.
Much calmer. That's what we're going to need after today.
Absolutely.
Brittney, thank you. Coming up, we're going to run through our national headlines of the day, plus another live look out on the roads. Here's our DOT cameras, and you definitely see some snow right there, and that black ice, and even that wind shaking those cameras. Be safe. It's 6:52, and you're watching NBC 26 today.